In this video, I'll show you how to allow microphone access on an iPhone, especially if apps like TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook can't use your mic. So if you're trying to record audio, make a call, or send a voice note and it's not working, there are a few settings that could be blocking microphone access. Let's fix that. First, open Settings on your iPhone. The very first place you should check is Screen Time, because screen time restrictions can sometimes prevent apps from using the microphone. Inside Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, the microphone might be restricted or set to not allow changes. You want to make sure microphone access is allowed. An even quicker option is to go back and completely turn content and privacy restrictions off. Keep in mind, you may need to enter your screen time passcode to do this. Turning this off often fixes the issue right away. Now let's check the actual microphone permissions. Go back to Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Microphone. Here you'll see a list of apps that have requested microphone access. If the toggle next to your app is on, it has access. If it's off, just tap the toggle to turn it on. Sometimes, though, the app doesn't show up in this list. If that happens, there's another way. Go back to Settings, scroll down to Apps, and find the app you're having issues with, for example, WhatsApp. Tap on it, and make sure the microphone option is turned on here as well. Now, if you've tried all of that and the microphone still doesn't work, there's one last step that usually fixes everything. Go back to the main settings, tap on General, then open iPhone Storage. Find your app in the list, tap on it, and choose Offload App. This won't delete your app or your data. It clears the cache, removes temporary files, and reinstalls the app with the latest version. Once that's done, open the app again. When you try to make a call or record audio, it should either work right away or ask you for microphone permission, and you can allow it. If this video helped you fix your microphone issue, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. We're a new YouTube channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.